We've been pumping for approximately 10 minutes using 6 3-inch pumps. This is a 12-foot high, 145-foot long AquaDam. Been pumping approximately 30 minutes. Another shot at 30 minutes of pump time. We're straightening out the AquaDam.
Yeah. So we don't have to hold it.
Inch by inch.
What you doing?
Been pumping 35 minutes. And we used a pickup with a rope to pull this corner of the AquaDam around so that it would be square with the bank that we're marrying up to. We've been pumping for approximately 45 minutes. With the help of this nice Chevy pickup, we're able with a rope to put pressure on this side just to have something to do. The AquaDam would have worked up that bank anyway, I do believe. But this way we keep it worked forward so water can't build between the bank and the side of the AquaDam that's on the roll. Less than 2 hours of pump time. big levee. That's what the project is. Digging out from this burrow hole over here, loading on a barge, putting it across over to the far levee. The other side's the Gulf of Mexico. This is the new burl hole that they're digging here to get the fill to put on the old levee, and they've got to do not only the top but the sides of it. It takes a lot of fill to raise a levee, and this is where they're getting the fill. This is 10 miles long, this new canal, and the reason there's going to be a canal here is for the fill material. That's what their job is. They have to come back and take out these. They left little levees across here. Why, I don't know, but every so often there's this dirt that's got to be removed. When they remove it, they want to control the water, so they need an AquaDam. Here's the AquaDam. This is to control the water, so when they dig out multiple pieces of fill like this, the water will be controlled, and that control will be provided by a water-filled AquaDam. We're done filling the AquaDam. The pumps now are pumping water from this side of the levee to this side, so we can fill this side up to the same height as this water that it has to control. Then they'll dig this out here. These conditions. This is fresh in Louisiana, Levee district. That's how they move dirt up and down the canal to make the levees. The water's as deep on this side as this side. So we know this AquaDam will work with this depth of water, which we put it water depth in mud about 7.5 feet. Water depth on this side is 18 inches to the mud. This dam can be removed. This one can be removed now, this earth, And then the next one, they have this done in cells 10 miles long. And now the AquaDam's going to control all that water here as they dig it out, so water won't be running over their fresh dug earthen berm. Great job. 12-foot high AquaDam, 145 feet long. Water's edge to water's edge is 90 feet. The AquaDam was barely long enough by the time it goes up the bank. There's the AquaDam. Good job, AquaDam. This dam can probably hold back another 1.5 to 2 feet of water, and then it would let boils start underneath of it or it'd wash out.